come around to the winter season, a season of peace, compassion, patience, and joy. This is the season when all seems to be sleeping. The plants are dormant, the air is cold and snow might cover the ground, yet there is great activity below. The seeds are storing their energy in anticipation of spring. There is a paradox in this direction. We are both at the end of the year and the beginning. Old age to newborn, the cycle of Mother Earth continues. This is the direction of wisdom and renewal. While this is a time of external rest on the surface, it is a time of internal growth and moving closer to your spirit. We move into the joy of completing the circle. We come to understand that the more we give away, the more we gain. We move into the joy of completing the circle and accept our path as we travel around the seasons to be reborn into the spring. The mind is represented in this season and direction. As we complete the circle, we also complete the mind. Knowledge answers the question of what, when, where, who, how. When knowledge expands into wisdom by filtering it through the soul, it provides answers as to the why. In this direction, we will push our boundaries by testing what we perceive as reality. We will let go of knowing. You might feel a bit untethered and uncomfortable during some of the exercises, but to be free, we must let go of control and learn to trust. We will create a shrine to honor this process and use both art and writing to open our mind to the unlimited possibilities that present themselves when we let go. Embrace the paradox of the season. The more you let go, the more you receive.